And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5, guys. How are you guys doing? I'm doing super good and currently I'm getting ready for work. And I thought, why not show you how to get Christmas ready for work, guys? Okay guys, since I'm already getting a little bit late to work, without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, before that, my makeup is done, my nails are done, because already all this I've shown in the past. I think Vlogmas Day 3, 4 is pretty much about this. Your subtle Christmas makeup, Christmas nails at home, or even like nails if you just want to paint it red or green, that's also fine, guys. That's why today in detail we'll not be seeing how to do my Christmas makeup for work or how to do Christmas nails for work. You can go and check out those videos, guys. Okay guys, now since makeup is done, nails are done, outfit is pretty much okay, hair is like pretty much okay, but how do we make ourselves Christmas ready? So that's what we're going to see now, guys. As you can see, I'm wearing like a plain white tank top. To make it more Christmassy, I'm gonna add like a red jacket on top, guys. This is the one that I have and let's quickly style it. Okay guys, I'm just gonna button this because it looks more nice that way, and anyways it's a little cold outside. I've worn this combination even for last Christmas and I literally look like a Santa Claus, guys, right now. So the red jacket and the white tank top together looks so good, guys. You can choose any combination you want, don't have to stress out on that. If you have like a green jacket and a white tank top, or like a red tank top and like a white jacket, anything, or like a simple red top, or even like white top, red dress, green dress, like anything that you have, guys, you don't have to go and purchase for this. You can mix and match or just wear like a red dress or like a green dress, that will also do, guys. Okay guys, I love this Christmas outfit for work. I'm wearing like black pants, like the entire look I'll show in some time. Now next, guys, outfit is pretty much sorted. Next, moving on to like some jewelry maybe. Okay guys, something that goes well with this outfit is a simple white stone earring, guys. It looks so beautiful, so I'm gonna add that. Okay guys, look at that. Just like a simple white stone, looks so good and so nice on the ears. Now next, guys, if it's like a Christmas event in your office, or if it's like a little bit fancy event and you want to get really a bit extra, then you can also go for a simple chain, guys. Okay guys, now I like bling, I like a little extra, so I'm gonna go for this white stone chain, guys. But if you want, you can switch it up a bit. Look at that, guys. It actually looks so neat and classy. It does not look too much. It does not look too extra. I remember last year for one of the Christmas looks, I had worn all this and my friend complimented me so much. She was like, it looks so beautiful. The entire outfit looks so nice. So I think this is not too much for work, guys. I had also added like glitter eyeshadow last year, but since it's work, I avoided that. But a little bit of glitter won't hurt, guys. So you can also add that in your eyes, guys. Okay guys, now I do understand some people don't want to wear like a stone chain to work. They might feel it's not like a little bit work appropriate, or it's not their preference, and I totally understand that. In that situation, you can also wear like a simple silver chain, guys. Look at this, there are no stones, it's like a simple silver chain, and even this will look so good, guys. It's not very flashy, it goes with the earring, it looks so simple and nice, but also very festive. So this is a good option, guys. Now next, guys, something that even in the normal days, like forget like Christmas, even normally that I would wear like are many rings. So we are gonna add rings now, guys. Okay guys, these are the rings that I usually wear, like so many rings. I love wearing rings. It's my favorite kind of jewelry actually. So if you want, you can switch it up. 1 or 2 will also do. If you don't want to wear rings, that will also be okay, guys. Not a problem at all. But I love wearing rings, so I've added all these rings. Next one is completely optional, or if you want you can also skip it. Wanna add like a tiny bracelet, a very simple bracelet with like few stones on both the ends. It looks very pretty, and anyways this is a full sleeve jacket, so there's no point wearing this, but I wanna wear it. If you don't wanna wear it and if you feel like anyways it's not gonna be seen for your outfit or whatever, then you can also do that. But in case my jacket is like this, then it's gonna be seen and it'll look very pretty, so I've added that. And in this hand I have my fitness band, guys, which is very important because I'm doing the 50 days to 2026 challenge, so I need to monitor my steps, and this is like very important, and I wear it throughout the day. So my fitness band in this hand and like a tiny bracelet in this hand. Okay guys, now if you see, the look is coming very Christmassy. We are looking so nice, and like the outfit is on point, jewelry is on point, makeup on point, nails on point. Everything is good for Christmas, but if you want you can do a little bit more enhancement, guys. Okay guys, now for the hair, if you want you can wear like tiny white clips like this. Looks very nice, looks very Christmassy and all that. But guys, it's Christmas, so you want to wear something very Christmassy. Of course, one thing is that while going from home to work or like to office or like whichever is your workplace, you might not wear something like a Christmas accessory on your hair, or you feel like not comfortable wearing it, which is totally okay. So from home you can either wear like a simple black hairband or like just white clips and go. And if you want to like retain it this way, this is also very good, guys. But if you want to be a more Christmassy for the event, which a lot of people do actually, you can either wear like a Christmas hat or like a Christmas hairband, guys. Look at that, it looks so good and Christmassy, guys. Again, like I told you guys, from home definitely I don't think we want to go like this, so maybe you can style it like with white clips or like a simple black hairband, and you can carry this in your bag, and once you reach your workplace you can change it to this. It is looking so cute, guys. Look at this. One thing about me, guys, I like to dress up for the event, so don't be shy to dress up for the event, guys. You dress up for yourself, you dress up to feel good, so don't feel shy in like dressing up, guys. Like, doesn't matter if others are dressing up or not, but you can dress up for the occasion, you can dress up and feel good. That's not a problem at all, guys. So I feel dressing up, putting that effort, feeling good is so cool actually. So you can carry something like this in your bag, or if not, something that usually I've seen people doing at work is that they carry like a Christmas hat. Like this also looks so good, guys. So again, I don't know if you want to wear it from home, that's your preference, you can do, but also a simple Christmas hat, guys, looks so good. This is like the OG Christmas look. It looks so good, so Christmassy, and the vibe is already there. So this is like another look you can go for, guys. Just carry this hat in your handbag if you don't want to wear it, and go style up your hair very simple at home, and once you reach office you can wear it for the day and wear it for the Christmas event at work. Okay guys, now even hair is sorted for the Christmas look at work. Next, coming to few more things, guys. Next is you want to add like a good perfume to smell good, to feel good. So I'm gonna add my favorite Chanel Noir perfume. You can add whichever is your favorite, and then you're gonna feel even more nice. This is so good, like I cannot even tell you, this one is so good. Okay, now next, guys, if your work is such that you don't have to carry like a backpack or like a laptop, and pretty much you can carry a handbag, then a simple red handbag will go so well with the look, guys. Look at that, it just completes the look so well. But again, if you're like me and your work demands that you carry your laptop from home, this is how even pretty much I go to work, guys. You have to carry a laptop, and especially if you're in the IT field, don't have to ask, you have to carry your laptop bag. But still, just as an add-on, if you feel like carrying like a small red handbag, like smaller than just for style, you can also do that. Okay guys, now next, coming to shoes. Finally, you can either wear white sneakers with this, it will look so good because we are wearing like white top, but I'm gonna go for these red shoe, guys, because overall it will look very nice, guys. Okay guys, time to show you the final look, guys. I love how this look has turned out. This is a very simple Christmassy look for work. Hope you got 1 or 2 tips and tricks on how to get Christmas ready for work, guys. If you really like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video, share this video, and also leave your comments down below, guys. You can also follow me on Instagram at indukrish_, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 5, guys. I will see you in Vlogmas Day 6. Bye, guys.